Hello all, welcome to our channel Tech Ardu. In this channel, we will learn cloud computing and modern technologies in a simple way. If you are a beginner in cloud or IT, this channel will help you understand that concepts step by step. So, what we are going to watch today in our video, it's what is cloud computing. So, why are we talking about cloud computing? So, in today's most modern applications run on the cloud. So companies need scalable and reliable infrastructure where cloud platform make it easy to run applications globally. So some of the top cloud platform providers are AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Before we understand what cloud computing is, let's see first how things worked earlier. In the past, when companies wanted to run an application or a website, they had to buy a physical server. These servers had to be stored in a data center and companies had to manage electricity, cooling, maintenance. So this process was expensive and required a lot of infrastructure and technical management. For example, if a company expected more users, they had to buy more servers in advance. If the demand got decreased, those servers would remain unused, which means wasted money. This is where cloud computing comes in. So the cloud computing means using computing resources like servers, storage, and database through the internet instead of owning our own physical hardware. In simple words, instead of buying or maintaining servers, companies can rent computing resources from cloud providers whenever and wherever they need them. So, a good way to understand cloud computing is by comparing it with the electricity. So we don't build our own power stations to generate electricity, right? So instead of, we will simply use electricity from the power provider and pay only for what we use. Likewise, same cloud computing works in a very similar way. Companies can use servers and other resources through the internet and pay only for the resources they consume. So these cloud providers offer many services like virtual machines, storage, database, and networking tools. For example, when you watch movies on Netflix or Amazon Prime or store files on the Google Drive, those services are powered by cloud infrastructure. So there are a lot of benefits of using a cloud computing. So the first benefit is that companies do not buy expensive hardware. And the second one is the scalability. If the number of users increases, companies can easily increase their cloud resources. And the third one is pay as you go. So we will pay only for what we use. And today, one of the top most popular cloud platform is AWS. Amazon Web Service is one of the most widely used cloud platform, and they offer n number of services where virtual servers, storage, databases, networking, and machine learning. So we have a lot of services to dig in it. So what we will learn next? In the upcoming videos, we will learn how to create an AWS account, launch our first cloud server, store files in the cloud, understanding core AWS services. So make sure you subscribe to Tech Arivu to continue learning cloud computing and AWS in a simple and practical way. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.